A shocking and horrifying incident in the VIP area of Gandhi Maidan, Patna, on Friday late night has left the entire city in disbelief. Prominent businessman and owner of Magad Hospital, Gopal Khemka, was shot dead outside his apartment by unidentified assailants. The incident occurred around 11:30 p.m. as he was returning home from a club. The attackers shot him in the head at close range and fled the scene immediately. What's more disturbing is that despite the location being just 100 to 500 meters away from the local police station, the SP and the district magistrate's residences, the police arrived over 90 minutes later. To add to the tragedy, Gopal Khemka's son, Gunjan Khemka, was also shot dead 6 years ago in 2018, and that case remains unsolved to this day. The family and the business community are in deep shock, while the public and political leaders have started raising serious questions about Bihar's law and order situation. According to legal analysis by Advocate Junction, IPC Section 302 murder. A deliberate shot to the head constitutes a clear case of murder under Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. IPC Section 120B Criminal Conspiracy. Since the attackers were hiding near the gate and clearly lying in wait, this incident also qualifies as criminal conspiracy under Section 120B. Negligence of police administrative failure. The police's delay of over an hour and a half in such a high-security zone raises valid concerns under Section 166, of which deals with public servants disobeying the law. Repeat offense against the same family. With both father and son murdered in similar fashion, and no arrests or breakthroughs in the earlier case, this pattern of targeted attacks reflects a failure of the justice system. Breakdown of law and order. A murder occurring in the heart of the capital, within meters of top administrative residences, is a stark example of a total collapse of law and order in the state.